Hey everyone! In today's video, we are dividing into the world of global mobility and understanding it through something called the Henley Passport Index. But before we jump into that, let's quickly understand an important concept, that is index numbers. So, index numbers are a specialized way of measuring and comparing data across times, locations, or categories. They are widely used in economics, finance, and international studies to simplify complex information. For example, the Consumer Price Index tells us how prices are changing. So, now similarly, the Henley Passport Index uses an index to measure something very specific, the global mobility and travel freedom that each country's passport provides. So, the Henley Passport Index or the HPI ranks passport across the world based on how countries their holders can visit without a prior visa, either visa free or a visa on arrival. It's published quarterly by Henley and Partners using the IATA data, that is the International Air Transport Association. Now, how this index works is that for each of the 227 possible destinations, a country earns 1 point if its citizens can enter without a visa or get a visa on arrival. So, if your passport gives you access to 150 countries, the HPI score is 150. This is a composite index, meaning that it combines multiple factors and not just how many countries you can enter, but also how restrictive their visa requirements are. So this helps us compare travel freedom across the countries in a simple and a clear way. Now, summarizing some few points. So the total destinations are 227. The maximum possible score can be 227, and thus the index updates regularly based on the current visa policies, and there is no fixed base here. So that means that the rankings can shift significantly depending on the global politics, international relations, or even economic conditions. Now, looking at the graph, we can see that how different countries are ranked based on their HPI score. So, at the top, we can see Singapore with an impressive 193 destinations. The second rank is shared between Japan and South Korea, which follow closely with 190. And the Brazil offers access to 170 destinations while Qatar has 112. So now coming to India, in 2025 India is ranked 77th with an access to 58 countries without a prior visa. And there's a good news, there has been a significant improvement in recent years showing that Indian passport strength is growing. On the lower end, we see Bhutan with 51 countries and Afghanistan with just 25, reflecting more limited travel freedom. So that's a quick breakdown of how Henley Passport Index works, and it tells us about global travel freedom. So if you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simplified insights on global topics like this. Let me know in the comments how many countries can your passport access visa free. I'd love to hear where you're from. Thank you.